Mold isn't just ugly to look at. Mold spores float through the air. When they enter your nose or lungs, they can cause coughing, asthma, and allergies. They also irritate your skin, itching, rashes, even flare-ups. Some molds release toxins. Mycotoxins can damage your liver and may even cause cancer. If your immune system is weak, you're at risk for serious fungal infections. During rainy seasons, damp homes become mold paradise. Even if you can't see it, you're already breathing it in. Ignore it, and your body will respond first. Don't take mold lightly. Like and comment to spread the word.